Hello everyone. In today's video I will be showing you how to find your Android phone when lost. In order to do this you will need to have a Gmail account which was in your lost Android phone. So if you don't have an email account stored on your lost device then this trick may not work. We will be using an application called Find My Phone. Find My Phone or similar is the name given by various manufacturers to software and a service for smartphones, whereby a registered user can find the approximate location of the phone if switched on, over the internet, or by the phone sending email or SMS text messages. This helps to locate lost or stolen phones. Apple offers a free service called Find My for iPhones running iOS. Microsoft's My Windows Phone offers a similar service for phones running Windows Phone. Similarly, Google offers Find My Device for phones running Android. Some of these applications may have limitations which can be checked before installing, such as only working in some countries, dependencies upon the phone's implementation of GPS, etc. Similar paid or free apps are also available for all device platforms. Similar applications are available for computers. Computers rarely have built-in GPS receivers or mobile telephone network connectivity, so these methods of location and signaling are not available. A computer connected to the internet by a cabled connection gives its location as the location of the Internet Service Provider, ISP, it is connected to, usually a long distance away and not very useful, although the IP address may help. Here is how you can do it. Search through your phone to find the Find My Phone. If you don't have it, it can be obtained for free on Google Play Store. Open the app once you've downloaded it. They will ask you to input an email, so you will put the email of your lost phone. From now you will be able to see where your phone is. If you are sure that you won't be able to see your phone again, you can delete all data from it. As soon as the phone goes online, then it will automatically initiate the delete data option. You can even lock your phone and put a message on it so that whoever finds it might see a message that may help you find your phone back. Find My Device is the only tool you'll need to track your missing phone. The best part is that it comes installed out of the box, and once you set it up, you don't need to do much with it. Having a service like this is handy, but you should also make it a point to jot down your phone's IMEI and serial numbers. You can never be too careful, and in a scenario where you lose your phone, or it gets stolen, an IMEI number lets you deregister the phone from cellular networks. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.